What really matters? The earth and how it is cared for. The animals and how they're protected. Your thoughts and how they manifest. What matters is believing in being clean, real, good. Just like we do here at Plum. With products that are consciously made by taking the best of nature responsibly and saying no to the toxic. By loving all skin types and colors equally and knowing that to feel good, you must do good. By committing to the planet and to yourself. By believing in goodness that you can call your own. Choose goodness today, every day. Get clean, real, good with Plum.